Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from Love Life Yarn by Amanda Saladin. Today we're going to be working the Sedge Stitch, which is a multiple of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 21, okay, because I'm going to be working on 19 stitches and then I'm adding 2 in for the base chain. So that leaves you can think of it as a multiple of 3, but just remember that the last end part, if you're making something a certain width, will not count as part of the width because it's our base chain. Okay, so there's my 21 chains. And now we're going to skip 2 chains, which will count as a single crochet. So you're going to skip these 2 and work a half double crochet and a double crochet into the same chain. And now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, 2, and now we're going to work 3 stitches in here, a single crochet, a half double, and a double crochet, all in the same chain. And I know it looks loose right now, but it will look normal once you get that row made, especially once you add a couple rows on. Then we're going to repeat, skip 2, work a single crochet, half double, and a double crochet. So keep working this way all the way down, skipping 2 and then working single, half double, and double crochet. Okay, and when you get to the end, you should have 3 chains left. Just single crochet into the last chain. And that will be your first row. Ready for row 2. For row 2, you're going to chain 1, which counts as a single crochet, and then you're going to work a half double and a double into that very first single crochet. See it right here on the edge. Half double and a double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, the double and the half double, and we're going to work into only the single crochets across the row. Work the same pattern, a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Okay, and then skip the next 2, work into that single crochet from the row below, single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Just repeat this all the way across, working only into your little single crochets. Okay, our last one for this swatch. Single, half double, and double crochet. And you're going to work a single crochet into the top of the turning chain. And there's row 2. And now we're just going to repeat that row. Repeat row 2 over and over again to make your pattern repeat. So let's do it one more time together. Single crochet 1, work a half double and a double crochet into the first chain single crochet space, and then look for that little single crochet, single, half double, double, and just work this all the way across like we did in the last row. It's a really easy to memorize repeat, and it's easy to see where the stitch goes because the single crochets dip down, and so you just work right into those single crochets. And when you get down to this last section, again, you just single crochet into the chain space. Sometimes mine's a little tighter than others, so I'm going to work it in right here and single crochet. And then I would just turn and repeat and just back and forth, work row 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Find more than 100 free patterns at love.life.yarn.com and please subscribe.